The past couple of weeks, we looked at the first two of my 4 graphing calculator MVPs, most valuable programs. In case you missed them, you can check them out through the links above. Today, we're looking at my 3rd graphing calculator MVP, quad form. So let's jump right in. This question comes from the ACT. So notice this is a 2nd degree function. That's different from the previous functions we were looking at last week where we used solver. So when it's a 2nd degree function, we have to use something called quad form. So let's go ahead to our program. Quad form is program number 9 on my calculator. So we go here, and the nice thing about this program, just as with all the others, is we see what format it needs to be in. In other words, everything has to be set equal to 0. So we're going to go ahead and subtract the 8 to the left side, and that way we can quickly identify that our A term is 1, our B is 2, and our C is -8. So we'll go ahead and type those 3 in, and we get our 2 solutions, 2 and -4. So we want to be really careful here. Notice there's 2 options that look pretty similar, C and A. Well, A has the +2 and -4, whereas option C has the reverse. So we choose option A and we're good to go. So again, you might be thinking, that seems like it's cheating, like to get the answer that quickly from a program. Well, notice what ACT said. Mathematics-related programs are allowed if they're single purpose. For example, finding numeric solutions to a quadratic equation. And that's exactly what we just did. Students gain access to all the Zara Tutoring Graphing Calculator programs through our SAT and ACT programs. Be sure to check back in next week for my 4th and final Graphing Calculator MVP, Slope Int.